Good night, my name is Lisbeth Villa, and Basic English Nutrition Unit 2 English Grammar Categories. Semester 6, Student Lisbeth Villa Negrete. Activity 2, Moment 2. One. What is the weight kit? The weight kit is a tool that defines the guidelines on the of the U Department of Public Health with the recommendation for healthy eating and balanced diet. It is visual to illustrate the types and the proportion on the food that should make a balanced diet. 2. Why use the weight kit intended for? It's aimed at any type person except children under 2 years of age. 3. What are the groups? The 8-week reading is divided into 5 groups. 1. Fruit and vegetables. 2. Potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, and other starchy carbohydrates. 3. Oil and spreads. 4. Dairy and the alternative. 5. Beans, pulse, fish, eggs, meat, and the other proteins. 4. When is using the Edward Guide? It's using an time since it is about addressing and kids on the nearest different service within school, family, etc. 5. What are the specific recommendations for each group? 1. Fruits and vegetables. Eat the 5 servings and the the fruits and vegetables every day. 2. Basic meals on potato, bread, rice, pasta, starchy carbohydrates. Should polygrain version where possible including dessert. 4. Eat some beans, pulled fish, eggs, meat, on the proteins, including just portion of fish every week, on the which should include meat. 3. Have just some dairy on the dairy alternatives, sushi and the soy drinks. Sushi lower fat and the lower sugar option. 5. Sushi unstarted, oil and the spread and the eat small amounts. 6. What avoid daily hydration? Drink 6 and the oil glass and the diet from sugar drinks and the alcoholic beverages. Limited fruit use and the summertime to total on the day. Water, low-fruit milk, sugar-free drinks including tea and the coffee and the coke. Limited fruit juice and some smoothie to total and the day. 7. What is on the food labeling? On preparing foods and the label includes the reference intact. The portion amount on the reference in the food should more in the green, orange, and the no red labels. 8. How many calories per day and person over a year old needs? Man does calorie, women calorie. Thank you.